Hello there, boys and girls, and I'm here in my office doing a little recording for you. But what I want to make sure you understand is as you are reading your book, because of Winn-Dixie, I want you to stop and pause every once in a while and say, what is the author telling me? And usually the author's telling you about the character, and it's going to be, what is the character doing? What's happening with the character? Is someone interacting with the character? And then you have to decide, is that an important event? Is that a key event? And so what I want you to think about is, what is the author telling me? And those are the key events. And then we're going to think together about, what does the author want me to understand or feel? So as we read chapter 1, we encountered Winn-Dixie making a mess in the, making a big mess in that grocery store. And Opal steps in and claims him as her own to stop him from going from the pound. That sounds like a really, really important event to me. And so that would be something I would want to record on my summary chart that you see right here. So how do I do this? We're going to use a digital summary chart. And so when I want to record something important after I've read my chapter, I'm going to come over here and I'm going to click this letter A. I'm going to click onto it so it goes right there in the box. And I'm going to type exactly that. Opal claims a dog as her own while in the grocery store to save him from the pound. And that's all I need to do. And I think that was the most important thing maybe from chapter 1. And so as I go through this, I want you to think about, what is important? What's the author telling me about the characters, the events, what's happening there? And you're going to click on the letter A and type in that response. For right now, leave this part blank because we're going to talk about that together. As we get better at making inferences as we go through this book, we'll start to do some of this on our own. But for right now, we're going to do this when we meet on Tuesdays. So remember, as you're reading, you want to be thinking about, what does the author want me to, what is the author telling me? What's happening? What's important? Everything is not going to be important on this chart because we're going to make a summary chart. So we want just the big ideas. If I have to tell my mom, my dad, my brother, my sister, my neighbor, my friend, what was the most important part that happened in that chapter, that's what goes on my summary chart. Alrighty, guys.